Hello Michael, this is my screencast for digital media on the internet, coursework 1. So here's my website. This is it. Just wait a sec for it to load. So I've got 3 posts so far. This is my menu. So you've got articles with all the articles I've done. You've got top 10, which is one of my articles. I thought I'd put it in a category, because if I wanted to I could add more top 10 lists to it or update the current one. I've got festivals, and I've got 4 pages here for 4 of the most popular festivals with little reviews on the festivals. And because I've been to these 2, I know a lot about this one. I'm going to this one this year. And then a bit of information on lineup so far and what bands have been announced for what festivals. And I've got my contact form so people can get in touch using this here. So let me just take you back into the back of it. So first thing I'll show you is my plugins. Here's my plugins. So I've got Akismet, I don't know how to say it. That's working. I've got my child theme configurator. I've got a contact form on, as you've seen. I've got a huge IT slider. I've made a slide for it. I've got Max Music, but it only works on certain pages, and the page I wanted it to work on it didn't, so I ended up not using it anyway. I've got TinyMCE Advanced. I've got WP Google Fonts, but I'll show you in a sec how I've had a problem with that. And I've got Yoast SEO. So if we go back onto the website, this font here I wanted to change, and all these fonts, but for some reason FileZilla wasn't working properly, and I couldn't access the files from home, and I didn't have enough time to go into uni and do it, or to get, to ask you for anything, so I ended up not being able to change the font, but it's not a problem. But yeah, the style.css I couldn't access and alter it, change it. Next thing I'll show you is the customizer. Go here. So I'm using Destin Basic, and then I made a child theme for it, as you see in my child theme configurator. So yeah, I'll show you my widget. So I only wanted one, and that was the Max Music, but I couldn't get it working. I'm not that bothered about it anyway. So I decided to take it off, because as you can see it looks a lot neater without anything there. Got my static front page as the latest post, because I thought it looked quite neat, nice. Right, so I'll take you onto one of the articles. So I'll take you into my top 10 indie bands of all time. So here's my article. Decided to use horizontal lines, as you can see here, to make it a lot cleaner, to make it sort of clean it up a bit. I've written a bit about each band and how I found out about them. Little stories, little funny anecdotes. I put videos in from YouTube of one song off every album, so people get an idea of what the bands are about, what the sound is. Got that there. Put one comment in, but I deleted it. So next I'll take you into one of the posts and show you my SEO traffic light system and show you how it's working. I managed to get all 3 of my posts green, which I was quite happy about. I'll show you my posts here. So we'll go on this one. So here it is. Use a featured image, added alternative text to all the images I've used on my website, because I've been told that it's so if someone's blind they can still have something, so it describes the picture to them. So that's my SEO traffic lights, that's working. Which is getting all green. I've got my Google Analytics finally working, so I can show you that here. So that's there. I've had 7 sessions. I've got 42.9% returning visitors, 3 from 3 sessions apparently. That could have been me, I'm not sure. So there, that's all that information. So I've got that working to sort of keep track of my website. Let's go back on and I'll show you my media. I don't have Photoshop, but there's fireworks on the computer at university, so I went in and I took an image, this image, so I used this, and decided to put a pink tint on it. As you can see, this is the one I used for the alternative text. put a pink tint on it to make it sort of go more with the background of my website, so that's that. I'll show you my settings. Some general writing, reading, discussion, media, links. Here's a Kismet which is working. There we go, it's block date. It's spam. But yeah, as you can see, like I tried to change the style to CSS, which would have, I would have liked to do, because it would have sort of made my website more personal and personalised towards how I want it. But unfortunately, I couldn't get it working. But you know, I did the best I could, so that's everything there. And yeah, thanks for watching.